You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
India is vibrant, diverse, and bustling. It's a place of contrast, where century-old tradition coexists with modern urban life. For Americans making the move, the excitement can be matched with uncertainty. SDC is here to help you transition with ease. Let's talk about cultural and practical adjustments. You need to expect difference in lifestyle, infrastructure, and social customs. You're going to find smaller homes, limited kitchen appliances, and different voltage requirements for electronics. Air conditioning is not standard in most homes, and storage might be limited. SDC helps you navigate these changes by advising on which items to ship and which to source locally. What about daily life in India? Depending on the city, expats may find excellent international schools, world-class medical care, and dynamic communities. Yet public transport and bureaucratic processes can be challenging. SDC offers pre-arrival orientation to set realistic expectations and help you hit the ground running. Here are some special services to ease the transition. Pet relocation. We work with other pet logistics specialists, and they handle every step. Crate training, vaccination records, flight bookings, and delivery to your new home. Piano moving. Our white glove service ensures delicate instruments are custom created and climate protected. Artwork shipping. We ship art for collectors and institutions, and we can do the same for your cherished pieces. Here's what a real client had to say. I moved to India with my family, and SDC made it seamless. From the pet transport to our fragile antique clock, everything arrived in perfect condition. Their team even helped us set up a local custom liaison. Get your relocation checklist started with SDC specialists today. We'll help you make a confident transition to India. Call 877-339-0267 or visit us today to make your move to India effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.